dear students. In the previous class we learned about pinhole camera. Many students have prepared pinhole camera. Beautifully they have done it. Those who are remaining, please do it. It is really fun. Now there is a real pinhole camera in the nature. If you walk on a sunny day under the trees, you can see if you look on the ground, you can see small bright circles on the ground. That is nature's pinhole camera's images. How does it happen, you know? When the sun rays comes, because of the canopy of the trees, it will be blocked. Okay. In between, sometimes there will be some space, and through that space, that space works as the hole of the pinhole camera. And through that the sunlight comes and it gets scattered on the ground. So you can see small circle like or some shapes on the ground. Next time when you go during the summer season or when there is a sunny day, you observe it. Okay. Now today we are going to learn something new. Now especially girls, nowadays girls and boys, everybody is too much interested in doing makeup. Okay. They get ready for even while going to the school, or simply when you are going out, you prepare or you make up too much, or you get ready. So for getting ready, usually where do we go? In front of a mirror. Have you ever thought when you go and stand in front of the mirror, you are able to see yourselves in the mirror? How does it happen? Have you thought? No. Now what happened? Now again, in front of the mirror you stand without switching on the light. Will you be able to see yourself? Or if the mirror is in a dark room, will you be able to see yourself? No. Even if it is not bright light, if the light is not enough, then also you won't be able to see clearly your face. Okay. So if you want to see clearly, you need light, bright light. Okay. Now, what happens, or how are you able to see yourselves in the mirror? And what is it called? You are standing in front of the mirror and your replica will be there inside the mirror. What do you call it? It is called the image of you. Okay, whatever object, you are the object and your image is inside the mirror. How does it happen that you get inside the mirror? Are you going inside the mirror? No, but you are able to see yourselves in the mirror. This happens because of a property of light called reflection. Now, what is reflection? Reflection means bouncing back. Now, when you take a rubber ball and play dribbling it, what happens when you press it or you put it on the floor? It comes back. Similarly, when the light rays come to your face, it goes back, bounce back. Bounce back means after hitting, it goes back. Okay, bouncing back of light rays is called reflection. So what is reflection? Reflection is the ability of light to bounce back. When it falls on a surface, it bounces back. So or it goes back. That property is called reflection. Okay. Now when you stand in front of a mirror, what is happening? The light rays which falls on you, after reflection it goes to the mirror and those rays will meet inside at a particular point and your image is found there. Okay, isn't it a wonderful experience? Yes, next time when you stand in front of the mirror, observe the image that you see and you try to touch the mirror. Now you can touch your nose on the mirror. When you touch your nose on the mirror, the image also will touch the mirror. Okay, you can touch, when you touch the mirror, what happened? The nose of the image also will touch your nose. That means the different distance between the image and the mirror is equal to the distance between the object and the mirror. Okay, so if here the mirror is there and you keep the object here at the same distance, this much distance is there. Okay, at the same distance at the back, the image will form. Okay. Similarly, when you move far from the mirror, so the image also will move away from the mirror. So observe now all the properties of the images formed. Okay. One more important thing, if you lift your right hand, what will happen? Will the image lift its right or left hand? Observe it. Okay. Now, I told you reflection is bouncing back of rays of light. Okay. Now, when the light rays falls on a surface, if this is a light ray, it falls on a surface and then it bounces back. Okay. It goes like this and then comes back. Okay. So, the rays which are falling on the surface are called incident rays. What are they called? Incident rays. And the rays which are coming back are called reflected rays. So what are incident rays? The rays which are falling on the object is called incident rays, and after reflection the rays are coming back, bouncing back. They are called reflected rays. Now you see, today you take a mirror and observe. Now if you have a new plate at home which you have not used for, or even if you have used once or twice, it's okay. Look into the mirror. Look into the plate. You will be able to see your face little bit clear in that. Then take one old plate. Will you be able to see your face clearly in that? Try. Sometimes the mirror also gets damaged. Some markings and all will be there. In that also you won't be able to see your face clearly. Now what is the reason? There are two types of reflections. When the surface where the light rays are falling is very smooth, when you take the new plate, there will be no scratches on the plate. It will be very smooth. Okay. So on that, when you see your face, you will be able to see your face clearly. That is because on a smooth surface, what happens? Whatever rays are coming on that surface will go back or reflect back in the same manner. Okay, let us see here with a diagram. Now, if this is the surface, what happened? The light rays are coming, beams of light comes in the form of parallel lines. When they come in parallel lines, after reflection also, they are very disciplined. They will go in the same manner back. However, they came in the same way, they will go back. Bouncing back also will be in the parallel way. Okay, so whatever image is formed in this plane will be very clear. Such type of reflection is called regular reflection. So regular reflection takes place on a very smooth surface. Okay. Now, when the plate is used for many days, we scrub it with steel scrub, plastic scrub and all, so it will lose that smoothness. So it becomes little rough. So when the light rays fall on a rough surface, what happens? Rays while coming, they may be coming parallel, but after reflection, they will go here and there. Okay. So that type of reflection, due to that type of reflection, the image formed will not be clear. So such type of reflection is called irregular reflection. So what is regular reflection? In regular reflection, the rays falling on a smooth surface will reflect back in the parallel way. I mean the parallel rays falling on the smooth surface will move in parallel lines after reflection also. So this produces a clear image. That type of reflection is called regular reflection. And when the parallel rays of light falls on an irregular surface or a surface which is not smooth, rough surface, then the reflected rays will not be parallel, they will get scattered, they will go here and there, and the image formed will not be clear. Such types of reflection is called irregular reflection.